Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are actually going to be in my closet today because I am doing a closet tour and also a big declutter because I'm in the middle of filming my Thriftmas series. If you don't know what that is, it's just Vlogmas except Thrift With Me's. So I'm doing 10 Thrift With Me's in a row this year, 10 days of Thriftmas. And I'm also going to be doing a giveaway every single video, so be sure to check out my Thriftmas series this year. It starts on December 15th. But that being said, I have a lot of clothes that I've already accumulated and I'm only halfway done filming them. So I need to start getting rid of some of the clothes in here in order to get the clothes, you know, that I just thrifted in here after because there's no room for them. So I'm gonna be getting rid of a lot of these clothes today, which is kind of good just because I'm a little bored of them, to be honest. I'm a little bored of some of these clothes in here. I've worn them a lot and I just feel like they need a new owner. So I'm gonna be putting them all on my website, selling them, and yeah, I need to narrow down this closet. It's like pretty full. It's pretty full. Let's just start the tour and the declutter. Okay, so quick tour. This side's mine. Behind me is all mine, and this side's not mine. This is my fiance, so this whole closet is not mine, unfortunately, but one day I will have a big closet all to myself, but just not anytime soon, so we're gonna have to work with what I got. So I'm gonna start with everything on the hangers here, just because it's the easiest, and figure out what I actually wear and what I don't. I wore this shirt a lot in the summer, but I'm kind of not feeling it anymore, so I think I'm gonna get rid of both of these shirts. So this shirt I actually really like, but to be honest, I've just never worn it. It's just kind of been, you know, a sculpture in my closet, you know, something that I just like to look at and not actually wear. So I think it's finally time to say bye because it's not getting worn. Do I want this one or do I not want this one? This one's really cute. Okay, I really like this one, but again, this is another sculpture in my closet that I just don't wear, and it's just, you know, hung here and taking up space from something that I've actually could have worn more, so this one is going. I wore this a lot, and I feel like someone else can now wear it. I feel like someone else should enjoy this one now. I want to say I thrifted this in my first ever Thrift With Me on my channel. I want to say I did. So I don't know if I can get rid of this. This is a vintage polo, you know, Ralph Lauren polo shirt, and I don't know if I can get rid of it just because I feel like this has like sentimental, because I think I did, or maybe I wore it in my first Thrift With Me. I don't remember which one, but it does have some sort of meaning with it, so I'm just gonna put that back for now. I've worn these a lot, and I feel like it's time for someone else to wear them now. I think that's gonna be my excuse. I've worn it a lot, and I'm just not feeling it anymore. I thrifted this, and it's a Aritzia top, and it's really beautiful, but I don't know if the shade of green's my shade of green. I like it different, even though I love green. I do love green right now, but I'm not sure if the shade is my shade. I'll just say maybe for now. We'll just say maybe. This one from Aritzia I purchased so long ago. I think I purchased it like in university, so like 5 years ago. No, okay, beginning of university, so like 5 years ago. And I didn't wear it up until I started layering everything just recently with like this winter, just because I needed to keep nice and cozy, and layering has just been such a trend right now. So I actually been wearing this so much, this specific thing, and I've also been wearing this one, this men's dress shirt that I thrifted. So this is definitely staying because I wear this so much. Another two things that I am actually pretty obsessed with is this sweater vest that I thrifted and this oversized men's sweater that I thrifted as well. I just love them because it's so nice to layer them and they're just so cozy. So these are staying as well. I don't know if I'm feeling it. I really liked Argyle, but now I feel like I'm all Argyled out. I have a lot of t-shirts here, like band tees, and to be honest, I just haven't really been into the oversized tees lately. I don't know. I just don't know. I just haven't really been styling them very often. So I think we're gonna get rid of a lot of these oversized tees. Like maybe this vintage Nike one I have too. Maybe get rid of this one. So this is my only Harley Davidson shirt that I have. I actually thrift a lot, but I end up just giving them away to people, or I just sell them on my website, or I don't know, do thrift flip with them. But this is the only one I really ever going to keep, is this one. And I got this off Facebook Marketplace, and it's a vintage one, and it's like super worn and oversized. I just love it. It's like honestly one of my favorite long sleeve shirts, and it's just like so beautiful. It just has this Harley Davidson on the side, and I just love the back. So this one's definitely staying. This is my off-white shirt that I thrifted, and I'm pretty stoked about this. So this is also never leaving my closet. I thrifted this Madewell one a while ago and I wore it a lot. I actually wore this a lot in my earlier videos, but now you're gonna say goodbye to it, Jenna. You're gonna say goodbye. And I thrifted this at a $2 sale, and I think I got my $2 worth, so we're gonna get rid of you. This Patagonia sweater that I thrifted a while ago, I remember I got this at a 50% off sale, so I think it was like $5 or $6, so I ended up getting it for a few dollars. This sweater, and the amount of people that have reached out to me asking if I'm ever gonna sell this, or if I do sell it, if they could have it, is incredible. So I'm sorry, you guys, for everyone that wants this one. I'm keeping it still because I just still love it. I thrifted this about a year ago too, and it just hasn't gotten much love from me, so I feel like someone out there could really love it and wear it a lot more than me, so I'm finally getting rid of this one, even though this one was like one of my best thrift finds. I love this sweater, but I don't wear it, so I really want it to be worn, so maybe one of you guys will get it or buy it off my website. I recently thrifted this, but I think I'm gonna get rid of it. I don't know if it's 100% me. I love these two crew necks, so I'm keeping these. I'm not really feeling this granny sweater anymore, so this one's going. I love this Mickey Mouse. This is a vintage Mickey Mouse one, and it was like in pristine condition when I found it, and it's still in really good condition considering that it's white and it's vintage, so definitely keeping this one, even though it doesn't get much wear. I can't get rid of that one. I just gotta keep it. This one I thrifted at a vintage store, and I love this. It's like so worn on the collar, and it also has this huge hole in the sleeve, and so many people tell me in videos when I wear it, they're like, you have a hole in your sleeve. I'm like, I know, I just haven't gotten around to fixing it yet, but one day I will fix it. But I love this sweater. I am definitely keeping this one. Another vintage sweater that I thrifted, so definitely keeping this one. Another sweater vest, yep. Keeping this one for now. Should I get rid of you, or should I keep you? Should I get rid of you, or should I keep you? My green blazer that I thrifted, I think I'm gonna keep it for now. This is so hard. There's so many pieces here that I just like can't get rid of just because I just you know, I just have good memories with them. This one I thrifted for $1. It was pretty good. I feel like all the clothes in here that I did thrift and are like my favorite were thrifted for like really cheap. Like I don't know how I got such good deals on them. They're like a few dollars, which is just nuts. I just think it's so crazy how you can find like such amazing things at the thrift store for a few dollars. Like this one, I think I paid $3 for it, and look how beautiful it is. It's so beautiful. So here's the stuff back here that I definitely don't wear very much. I have a lot of activewear down here, but I'm not even gonna touch that just because there's so much like just memories with all that stuff, because like mainly my stuff from high school and college, because I was a collegiate runner, and I just can't get rid of it. Like I have like cross-country shirts, like my team gear, you know, and it's just like so much amazing things here. And I also have like a lot of golf clothes in here too. So we're just not even gonna go through that right now. Yeah, they're going. Not feeling you, not feeling you. Look at these vintage mom jeans I found. These are the Lee ones, and they are so comfy because they have like this stretchy elastic band on them. So these are like my pants I wear when, you know, I'm going to a dinner and I know I'm gonna be eating a lot. So we're gonna keep these for a special occasion. These, whoa, these Everlane ones are looking a little rough right now because they were just piled in the back of my closet, and to be honest, I love them, but because they wrinkle very easily, I don't wear them. So I think they're gonna go. And I got these ones off ThredUp if you're curious. Yeah, everything I'm getting rid of is pretty much stuff that I thrifted. What in here do I want to get rid of? We're gonna get rid of you because we don't wear you. This sweater definitely got a lot of wear. I wore this a lot like 2 years ago, and I thrifted this one as a Topshop one, and it's like this nice velvet one, this brown, when I was like super obsessed with brown. I still love brown, but just not as much anymore, and I have a lot of brown clothes, so you're going. Here is another vintage crew neck that I found, this Grand Canyon one, which I think is cool. I don't know, it's like a go-to one when I want to be comfy, so we're just gonna keep you. We'll put you on the rack now. There's some room. So in here, I have some like cross-country, you know, Big Sky from the conference where I went to university. And I also have my college, you know, gear here, track and field one. So these two sweaters I got from my running career in college are definitely staying. This Disney sweater. I have a lot of Disney stuff. I don't really need this one, so you're gonna go. Man, I am getting rid of literally half my clothes. And it feels amazing. It really feels amazing. So down here, I have all my jeans all hung up all nicely on this little rack thing from IKEA. I love it. It keeps all my jeans so nice they don't get wrinkled. And then over here, I have all of some like shirts, cardigans, just like stuff I don't wear very often. And you can see they're all, except these, are folded perfectly. It's actually just mainly like t-shirts in here, but you can see they're folded perfectly because I don't really wear them. So we can finally get rid of some of these t-shirts because I don't think I need like 50 t-shirts. You know, 5 or 10 will probably do, especially because I'm gonna be thrifting more t-shirts in the future, and if I'm not like super in love with them, I think I just gotta get rid of them. So let's begin. I thrifted this vintage, you know, rugby shirt, which I think is cool, but I honestly forgot I had this. It's the same maybe, because I'm not sure if I would wear that. This Guess shirt I absolutely love, but it wrinkles a lot, so I don't really wear it, so let's get rid of it. Also, I thrifted this top recently, and it's a UCLA one, and a lot of people were asking me if I'm going to be selling it, and yes, I'm going to be selling it. It's going to be on my website. Like, now, you can go get it there. I do not need 50 cardigans. I just went on a craze where I just was obsessed with cardigans, and then I bought like 500 at the thrift store, and now I'm realizing I probably only need, you know, 2 or 3. This one's just a staple Jenna shirt. This one is just a staple Jenna shirt. I don't really want to unfold it because it's folded really nicely, but it's this really nice turtleneck one, and I don't know if I can get rid of it. I like it. Oh, I like this shirt. I'm keeping this one. I made this one. I'm keeping it. This shirt unfortunately gets a lot of Benson hair on it, and that's why I don't really wear a lot of dark clothes, is because Benson's hair, so I think we'll give it to someone else. Look at this shirt. This shirt is so funny. Let's get this bread. It's so funny. It's okay. I also went on a tie-dye craze when, you know, quarantine happened, so I think I can get rid of some of this tie-dye now because I actually have a lot of tie-dye shirts. Oh, this shirt. This is another shirt I will never get rid of, and I actually wear it for like pajamas right now, but I got this Scholar Athlete Idaho thing when I went to school, and I'm pretty proud of it. I had a 4.0, so that's why I got this. Or maybe you had to have over like a 3.75 or something like that. I'm gonna get rid of this one. I have this shirt, this band tee right here, Led Zeppelin, and it's time to say goodbye. You guys have to see this pile of clothes over here. You guys would be very impressed with the amount of clothes that I'm getting rid of. Like, look at that. Look how many clothes I'm getting rid of. So recently I actually got rid of a lot of jeans just because I had a lot of jeans, so I recently just sold a whole bunch, but I think I'm pretty happy with the amount of jeans I have here right now. I do want to get some nice like wide leg jeans, so I'm kind of saving some spots here from some nice ones that eventually I will thrift, but I'm pretty suffice with, there's like hair hanging, with my jeans here. So I'll give you a little tour. So these are the vintage Levi's that I thrifted, these vintage Levi mom jeans, and I'm so proud of myself for finally persevering and finally finding a pair of these at the thrift store, and they fit amazing. They're like these nice high-waisted ones, you know, nice tapered fit, like the ideal mom jean from Levi's when you picture it. Yeah, these are them. They fit amazing, and yeah, these are one of my prized possessions, and they'll probably be featured in my like top 10 thrifted items of 2020. So I have another pair of vintage mom jeans here too, another Levi pair except a different color. These I actually purchased on Facebook Marketplace. That's a really great place to find, you know, nice vintage stuff. So these are them. I love these ones. They're nice and like really worn at the bottom here, and obviously at the top here they're just beautiful, these ones. I love these pants. These are from Aritzia, and I ended up getting them on like a clearance sale or something like that for like 50 bucks or something. Got my cow pants in here. I also have the white Levi's that I thrift flipped from like a size 34, and yeah, they're unbuttoned, but here they are. I love them. I have some basic like Levi's here that I did a little thrift flip, and I put some like fabric at the bottom there, and then I also have like one pair of fitted jeans. I've gotten rid of like all my fitted jeans just because I like more of a looser fit, but these are the only fitted ones I have, and they're just like kind of like a crop flare one, high-waisted, so these are my only fitted jeans now, which is kind of nice. Also have these pair of Levi's where they're nice oversized men's pair of Levi's, and they're like super worn here, and they're just like a black pair. So I love these. These ones are so worn in and so comfy. I thrifted those. And my last pair of jeans here are the ones that I recently purchased from a little tiny thrift store. They're kind of like a straight leg jean, and they're nice and high-waisted, and these were $3, and I love them. But other than that, this is all my clothes, and I pretty much just got rid of half of them, which is a little scary because I don't have many clothes in my closet, but the amount I thrift is gonna be pretty full pretty quick. I just know it is. Well, anyways, that is it for today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed this closet tour and closet clean out, because this is much needed, because Thriftmas is starting next week-ish, and it's on the 15th. I don't know when I'm posting this video, but December 15th, Thriftmas starts, and I'm halfway done filming the videos, like I mentioned, and I don't have room for any of the clothes in my closet, but now I do. So I'm excited to put my new clothes in the closet and get rid of all of these clothes. So if you saw anything you liked today, they will be on my website right now, so you can go check them out, purchase some. A lot of them will be like $5 or $10, but I'm just trying to get rid of them. So if you saw anything you like, maybe you can get one on my website. But other than that, I'm done. I'm done for talking. Just join me for Thriftmas next week-ish, whenever this is posted. And also subscribe to my channel, because if you're subscribed, you'll get notified when each Thriftmas video comes out. And if you get notified, then you can enter the giveaway every single day, because there'll be a giveaway every single day for Thriftmas. So if you want to win something and also subscribe to my channel, you should subscribe to my channel. I hope that was like a good convincing, you know, what is it called when you're like in court and you have to like convince, or convincing argument. I don't know what I'm going with this, but I hope you subscribe to my channel. But other than that, I gotta start listing all these on my website, so when this video goes live, you guys can all purchase all my clothes. So I'm gonna go do that, and also film some more thrift with me, because Thriftmas is coming up and I'm only done 5 out of 10, so I got a lot of work. So I'm gonna go. So bye guys.